up fans, I have CaityB back in the building with another reaction video, and we're going to be doing a single reaction for you guys today. So we're going to be reacting to a song that dropped recently, which is by SWEETS, WAMI2DO. At first I was like WAMI2DO, but it's WAMI2DO.
So SWEETS was the one of two of 30 Kings.
30 Kings, yeah. So let's check out what SWEETS has got for us. We've seen a track that's been dropped by Livs recently. Let's check out SWEETS. But thank you to those that have requested for us to react to this track. Pretty keen, and also shoutouts. PolyMovement. Shoutouts go out to Tamau_685.
Rapid Fire Music up in Brisbane.
Yep.
Hey fams. Tongan Boy 21. America Lolo Bese.
So thank you to you guys, and big shout out also. Thought I was done. He's sticking to that same tune now.
Anything I wanted. You can either take an L or just be a fucking boss. Run a muck if you have to. Now let's feed it to them dogs.
Take an L or be a fucking boss. Sorry, is it blurry or is it?
Yeah,
my glasses.
Blurry, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was thinking, shit. My
What
eyesight's going on me again.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll be getting glasses soon.
It is quite blurry.
Okay. I was thinking, what the hell?
Yeah. I don't know if that's.
I don't know if I'll see the end of this video.
What do you want me to
Stop
do?
playing on me!
Trying to suppress my thoughts. Got money for these wars, still can seem to feed the poor. Tell me what is going on. I see them real struggles, and that's on the daily. Trust that they couldn't stop this grind out even if they paid me. It's crazy. I'm on a different angle, a new level. A million playing bass, so I had to bring the treble. I'm unsettled. Yeah, my car, we grew up from the rubble. So trust me when I say that, yeah, we know about the struggle. It's a fact if I'm gonna be honest in that. Let's just pause for a second till they say something back. I'll do this for my people till we're equal, brother, that's facts. I hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil, that's that. They don't wanna cross me, man. Say word, they will never ever pass me, man. I got the QE on me, so tell the crew to come through. And ain't nobody's to tell, just what man is to do. It's like dogs, they don't wanna cross me, man. Say word, they will never ever pass me, man. I got the QE on me, so tell the crew to come through. And ain't nobody's to tell, just what man is to do. I've been working long nights, every night. I've been steady, trust me, brother, my grind is super heavy. I'm a shark in the waters, let's just leave it at that. Take a shot, but don't miss, cause I said it right, brother, move on. I'm a different one. Them boys, they are different ones. Up in for a different song. Tell them I'm a different one. Tell them what they're doing, brother, just don't phase me. I'm out here putting on for the West Side, baby.
West Side, baby.
It's open to critique. Tell me what I'm doing.
Okay.
Comments won't faze me. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. You can only learn from it.
You gotta have a hard head to just block it out and focus on your music, on your lyrics and that.
And what you can record.
Yeah, because mentally, this is, you know, mentally you gotta focus, and these guys need it. Yeah. Sorry, and these guys. Yeah, well, just.
Puff, die, they give it to them. Said puff, die, they give it to them. I'ma be honest with you, brother. You see, there's levels to this. And if you jump that queue, better be ready for it. Let me see you puff, die, they give it to them. Said puff, die, they give it to them. I'ma be honest with you, brother. You see, there's levels to this. And if you jump that queue, better be ready for this. They don't wanna cross me, man. Say word, they will never ever pass me, man. I got the QE on me, so tell the crew to come through. And ain't nobody's to tell, just what man is to do. It's like dogs, they don't wanna cross me, man. Say word, they will never ever pass me, man. I got the QE on me, so tell the crew to come through. And ain't nobody's to tell, just what man is to do. Tell them let me do just what I wanna. See they mad cause I'm rolling in designer. Just one day I'ma make it to Bahamas with the crew and we're smoking marijuana. Tell them let me do just what I wanna. See they mad cause I'm rolling in designer. Just one day I'ma make it to Bahamas with the crew and we're smoking marijuana.
My bro!
You'll get there, you'll get there.
Do more singing! Bro, you sound pretty good. Undercover, you basket. Uppercut, you cuz.
Just what I wanna. With the cream, what's what I wanna. Tell 'em let me do just what I wanna. With the cream, what's what I wanna.
The gunshots were a bit weird.
Mate, bro, you do you.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I had more singing into your song though.
Yeah.
I love it. I want to hear some more.
What am I to do? Definitely do you.
Oh.
What am I to do?
Oh. I was like waiting for him to say, want me to do what you want me to do. What am I to
Oh,
do?
definitely nice.
Damn. Yeah, he gave us like a little sneak peek of his singing. Want to hear some more, mate. What do you think about him, MommaB?
I like it, I like it. I really want these guys to do well.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Levs too.
Yeah.
Really want you guys to do well. I really want.
I see the difference here.
Yeah.
Pursuing their own different music
Yeah.
careers. Definitely different. He sort of kept on with that type of vibe
Yeah.
that they're doing with 30 Kings. Levs has gone, done something more of a different
That's
vibe.
nice though.
Yeah. It's
Gotta find your niche.
Yeah.
And being together, if being together was holding you down, so be it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's sad, but
Yeah, it's good that they didn't feel like they had that pressure on each other to keep on sticking
I hope
together.
not. Yeah.
Which is good.
I like
You
it.
can only
They're from
grow, yeah.
West Melbourne. West
West
Melbourne.
Melbourne! Let's go. Melbourne.
Someone come get her, please.
Somebody come get her. Yeah, so
Oh,
what'd you-
I give it a 9. What did you give it?
I think I give it an 8.
I thought you said 10.
No, I gave it an 8.
Oh, okay.
Just now.
I like his message behind it. And like I only feel for these guys, but all I can say is just do what you gotta do.
I mean, what you want me to do, you know?
Yeah, that means it helps get that money, and get you up there. Just
In the song it sounded like he's
not
high
too
ranking
illegal, but
anyways, yeah.
It's like with her channel, I've told her to do what you gotta do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's gotta do it. You can't stay idle in one space when you can
You can be versatile,
further
you know?
yourself, yeah.
Yeah.
And find your audience that will help you
Yeah.
out, yeah.
Like with videos I do, I try and
Accommodate.
yeah. But I haven't done vlogs in a while, but I will be doing some soon. But the bro was talking about a lot of things.
It's relatable.
Yeah, really relatable.
Relatable, just different scenery. But, yeah.
I've
Good
obviously
on you.
forgotten lyrics, but bro, keep
Good
it
on
up.
you, Sweets. Yeah.
I felt like the video could have been a bit better, but it is what it is. Fam.
That
I
is
see,
his car?
yeah, I see
Must
that.
be
Yeah,
him.
his car's
I
popped
thought
up
it was
again.
Saintside's car.
Yeah.
The guys who own that business.
Yeah. Oh, who knows?
Nice.
But yeah, fams. Keep it up, bro. Yeah, can't wait to see what other stuff you have popping out. Sorry, I can't talk much about the lyrics because it just came in and went straight back out. But yeah.
You did though.
Yeah, I did hear lyrics, but you know,
Absent-minded.
yeah, just like my mama.
No, hell no.
Like mother, like daughter.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh yes. But yeah, fam. I hope you guys liked our reaction. Let us know what you guys thought of our reaction and of the track. Yeah, keep it up, bro. Can't wait to see what other stuff you have coming out this year.
PolyMovement, please, fam.
Yeah.
Subscribe to his new
YouTube channel.
Yeah, Sweets music.
Yeah.
Subscribe to it.
Yeah.
Help him get up there.
Yeah. I have it
Share
down
the
in the
love.
description box down below
Sorry.
for you guys to check out. Yeah.
Share the love, please,
Yeah.
fams. PolyMovement.
Yeah, fam. Much love. Stay safe, please, and see you on the next video. That was it. What you doing? Is that a sign? You got a boyfriend?